Hi chip fans, so today we're trying the Cheetos chicken puffs. There they are, little Cheeto puffs. They are pretty average. They don't have the normal. Cheetos are normally quite full of flavour, and these ones, well, as they taste of chicken, but they're not massively chickeny. Texture, soft, with a slight crunch, pretty edible. I think actually you could probably munch your way through a bag without thinking too much about it. So flavour wise, they're not bad. Taste of chicken, a little bit of salt. Texture is nice, crunchy but soft, very eatable. Good looking popcorn chicken bag. So what are we going to give them? I reckon 6 out of 10.